A Fort Wayne couple, Vincent and Judy, had started a vacation to London when Vincent's speech became slurred 2 hours before touching down in London. Not wanting to spoil the vacation, he struggled to the hotel.
But their vacation became 3 British hospitals in 9 weeks and an eventual hard-fought recovery close to home. Now they want you to know the warning signs of a stroke in tonight's story for your well-being.
And I thought a little rest would do it.
And then he got up from the bed and he started walking, and he was hitting the walls as if he had been out on a really big bench or something.
They want you to get to the hospital as soon as you start to notice these symptoms. Well, when you're waiting 6 to 7 hours, there's a greater chance of permanent damage being done.
You're immobile and you're at the mercy of everybody.
And they were able to work out a transatlantic flight with physician assistance all the way from London to Fort Wayne Airport, direct flight, and then the ambulance had to pick him up from the airport and transport him right here to the hospital.
Even the other patients encourage each other.
Dr. Ruggio was able to take care of him medically, and our nursing staff was taking care of him medically, but he was also getting physical therapy, occupational, and speech therapy 3 hours a day.
So they'd say, "Hey, I saw you walking in the gym today," and they'd be clapping, and that's just such a good spirit to have around you.
So 3 common symptoms that you'll notice usually right away is some type of facial droop. Then you'll get weakness in your upper extremity. You can also have difficulty with your speech, and sometimes balance can be an issue, difficulty walking. And with any of those signs, that's when there's a good chance there is a stroke happening and you need to get to an emergency room right away.
I thought he was just extremely tired from the trip, and he felt like he couldn't ruin the good time.
I didn't tell anybody or do anything. I just stuck it out,
They are back at home, so congratulations on the recovery. Brain damage, though, can start within minutes of a stroke, although it can take hours to notice the symptoms. Doctors want you to know the stroke symptoms. B, fast. B stands for balance. Stroke victims can experience a sudden loss of balance. E is for eyesight. People can have blurred, double, or even loss of vision in one or both eyes. F is for face. Watch for their face to look uneven, with one side drooping when they smile. A stands for arms. Have them lift both arms. Watch for one to drift down. S for speech. Stroke victims often have trouble speaking or have trouble repeating a simple phrase. And T is for time. Call 911 as quickly as you can if you observe or experience any of those signs.